Oh, wow! Man is getting sun.
I see.
At the beach myself.
Wow.
It's a beautiful day. Be
Um,
at the beach.
I see. Yeah, lucky boy. So for skin, I'm using face oil. It's the one from Garnier, and it has like lavender stuff inside, so it smells very strong. And then I'm using some concealer, and this is the Fit Me from Maybelline in the shade 15. And I just put that everywhere where I need some coverage because I don't use foundation. Okay, then I'm using my NYX Wonder Stick and I highlight under my eyes a little bit more. Then contour. Okay, so then I use my translucent powder from Essence. Next, I use my bronzing powder from Maybelline on my cheeks. So my eyebrows I will do off camera because I made a video how I do my eyebrows. And if you're interested in that video, then please check it out. I'll link it somewhere here, and then you can check that video out if you're interested. So now we are moving to the eyes, and I really want to do a purple eye look today. So I have my NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, these gorgeous colorful shades, and I found this one from Makeup Revolution, and it has some purple shades as well. We'll see what we're doing. So first I prime my eyelids with this shade from my Makeup Revolution palette. It's a light, I would say beige color. So next I use this dark purple shade from my NYX palette in an angled brush, and I will make a little eyeliner shape like this. I put powder under my eyes again because this stuff is fallout. And now so I'm using the darker purple again to fill this in. And then I'm using this light purple and this violet shade under my eyes. Yeah, so I go on top of it with my NYX highlighting palette, and there's this violet shade. I put that over everything. And then I'm using these little stones and my NYX glitter primer. Then I'm putting it on top of the long line I made, so in the crease. I'm using my lash curler. Put a little bit of mascara on. For lashes, I'm using my demi lashes. And now I do the other eye off camera and then I will be back. Now I want to put on some highlighter and I'm using my L'Oreal Perfect Match highlighter. I'm gonna put this here. And to blend, I'm using my finger. Okay, for lips I'm using something very neutral and I use my Trended Up Contour and Clyde lip liner in the shade 47-3. And then on top of this I use my Essence Nude Lip Gloss in the shade Oh Hey 16. So I want to make some freckles as well, and I use the same powder I use for my eyebrows, the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder, and I use a little pointy brush, and then softly I'm putting little dots all over my face. Boyfriend is calling in the middle of my video, nice. Yeah, he's chilling at the beach right now. Lucky man. Okay, so back to the freckles. I just created something completely different and it gives me some festival vibes, because normal daily basis I would not wear this, but it's nice playing with makeup and creating something. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.